Hi everybody, it's Jenny Bon here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be fun because it's all about teeth. If you're a first timer in my channel, then my channel is all about beauty, hacks, tutorials, and a little bit of vlogs here and there. For this episode of Try It Like Jenny, I'm going to be doing a product review and a demonstration about this hyped up product that is quite getting popular in the market out there. It is a whitening product exclusively from Charblanco. So basically I've collaborated and partnered with them for this video, but it's not just about collaboration and partnering with a brand. I also make sure that when I do a collaboration, I know what I'm putting in my body and what I'm using is safe for my body, and I want to give an honest review and opinion about this product as well, so I can't wait to show you guys how to use this product. But before we dive in deeper on using this product, I want to share with you guys the ingredients of this charcoal whitening powder. Basically, it has an active ingredient, which is the charcoal. It also has a coconut oil, an orange seed oil, and of course it has sodium bicarbonate. This is so hard. It has a sodium bicarbonate, and it also has mint leaf on it. So basically, this is your all-in-one teeth whitening product. It is made in USA. So you know that this is a product that is actually organic because they stated all the ingredients in the packaging. It says here as well, and it is FDA approved, so you don't have any worries if you're about kind of skeptical about this safety, if it's safe. If you're quite skeptical if this is safe, then you don't have to worry because it is FDA approved. Let's get started and see what's inside this container or this little jar right here. It has a charcoal like that. It's basically black. Need to grab a soft bristle toothbrush. So I'm just using my Colgate right now, and you need to dampen it in a water, of course, and then you gotta put your toothbrush in the jar or container like this. Tap the excess. So you have it like that, and then you're gonna put it on your teeth. Rinsing my mouth, and the charcoal is all gone, as you can see. It totally whitens my teeth, and it removes all the soda and coffee stain. Though it is not like pearly white teeth right away, I guess it would take some time. You know, as the same thing as other products, you need to constantly use it to see a significant result. So it won't have it doesn't have magic power on it and that you would see the result right away. So okay, overall review of this charcoal powder, I absolutely loving it. It's 100% natural, and if you swallow it, it's fine. You don't have to worry because you won't get poison or anything. So basically, if you want to learn more about this product, just go on my description box below. I'm gonna be linking down the product I used for this video. And aside from that, if you haven't subscribed to my video yet, click the subscribe button and be sure to give it a thumbs up. And please, let's be friends and follow all my social media channels out here, posted right here. And I'll see you again next time for my new episode of Try It Like Jenny. Bye!